to my channel. Today's video, as always, is a very exciting because when I saw this collection launch, I was super excited and I feel like it was really unexpected. Like, I did not expect them to collab at all. So it came as a surprise, but then when I saw the collection, I thought it was so beautiful. I knew I had to pick up this collection, at least one thing from this collection, and it is this gorgeousness right here. This is the PUR X Barbie collaboration. And how crazy is that? So yeah, I never expected this. I feel like it's really random, but I'm really happy because I feel like this is like the collab that we never know we needed. As a kid, I was always really into Barbies. Me and all my sisters, we would always play Barbies together. We would get a bunch of Barbie dolls. I know we had like a ton of it and we had a ton of clothing for it. We would always play together. I know we used to always get like Barbies from like the Dollar Tree. They would usually be like really cheap. And like the hair would be like falling off and stuff, but then we would always try to like style it. So I'm super excited when I saw this collection launch. I knew I needed the eyeshadow palette, of course. Because the colors in here are gorgeous. Well, first of all, I want to talk about the outside packaging. I think that the texture of this is so cute. I love these little like crystallized rocks on here. I really feel all of the textures of the gemstones and all of these little rocks and diamonds on here. So, and this pink color is just, oh, it's just so gorgeous. So yeah, I'm just in love with this. And of course, we have the beautiful shades in here. So of course it has like everything in the palette, but it has Barbie's signature like pink shades in there. But yeah, these are just some gorgeous colors and I love it so much. I'm super happy to create a look with this. I did create a look with this. This is the eye look that I created using this palette. And I just love it so much, you guys. I'm like so excited. I knew I had to pick this one up. Yeah, and I feel like it just gives me that reminiscence feeling, I guess, you know, of Barbies and stuff, and really fun. It just reminded me of childhood. It's just great. But yeah, I created a look with this palette, so if you guys are interested in how I achieve this look, then you guys know the drill. Just go ahead and keep rolling. Alright, you guys, back here, zoom in into my face. So yeah, so we are going to do the usual that we always do. I'm super excited to jump into this look. I'm just so excited to create a look using this palette. It's so cool, it's so cute. But first, we are going to prime the face, and I'm using this little Versali Skin Tune Blur. I haven't really tried this out. I tried it out once, but I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it yet. I don't know. So I'm just trying to use it some more and see how I feel about it. This sucks, honestly. So I have no choice but to just like put it on my face. Alright, now on to the palettes. It's just, look how cute this palette is. I love the little texture out here. I mean, I feel like it might be a little difficult to travel with, but like, hello, I love these collections. And we have the gorgeous shades right here. I know it's supposed to be this way, but I really want you guys to see the light. We have 12 shades. We have one glitter, some shimmers, and some matte shades on here. And PUR has this really nice mirror right here, as you can see my ring light through here. So it's like a really good size mirror, which you can definitely do your makeup with. But yeah, I feel like I'm really gonna go create like a more pinky look, because when you think of Barbie, you know, you think of pink colors and the blue, of course. The only thing that kind of bothers me is that it doesn't have the shade names on here like they usually do, because PUR usually has the shade names on the actual packaging, but not this one. But I did keep the unicorn, so it does have the shade names in the back, so I'm just gonna go off of that. Go into this brown shade here called Role Model. Ooh, kind of a lot of fallout. Don't really mind it because I know that it's gonna be pigmented. It has a lot of fallouts, but I just thought I should mention that. So we have that nice light brown transition shade up here. Then I want to go with an all over color. An all over color, I'm going in with this pink shade. I want to put the pink color all over my eyes. And I'm going in with Barbie, of course. So I'm just gonna apply this all over my eyes. I want to also flick it outwards. Ooh, such a nice color. Same thing to the other side. Color's kind of getting everywhere. Alright, so we have this bright neon pink shade all over the eyes. Next, I want to go in with this glitter shade called Accessory. So I just want to keep it in the center. I really love this glitter from PUR. I did this glitter look for my festival look, and the glitter in there was just the bomb. Just want to go back into that bright neon shade Barbie. I just want to fix the edges as well as the inner corners. Just want to make sure this still blends seamlessly. Let's go ahead and work on the foundation. I do want to go with a full coverage look, so I'm going with the MAC Studio Fix Fluid. Haven't used this in a while actually. I've been breaking out recently, so let's cover up these scars, these blemishes. We are going to go in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Of course, the usual, putting it underneath eyes, nose, and chin. Going in with my Kat Von D Shade and Light Dual Contouring Powder. Go in with the bronzer. Apply that on my contour. But I really love this bronzer. For blush today, I'm going in with my Bare Minerals Desert Bloom Trio. And I want to go in with these two here. Since my eye is like a pink look, I really want to go with like a more pinky tone blush. I feel like I'm always feeling like monochromatic looks. Some contouring bronzer underneath the jawline here. For highlighter, I want to go in with an oldie but goodie Rodeo Dry from Ofra Cosmetics, and I still have it in the old packaging. Applying that on here real quick. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Forgot how gorgeous it is. Just haven't worn it in a while. For underneath my eyes, going in with the same shade, Role Model. Applying that underneath my eyes first. For the under eyes, I really want to go in with either the blue shade or the purple shade. So I'm like really stuck right now. I feel like the blue shade would just be a little much, wouldn't it? Forget it, I'm going in with the blue shade. I feel like pink and blue was so like important in Barbie's makeup. I feel like she has usually like a lot of blue shades or like a lot of pink shades. Of course, I gotta go in with my blue Marc Jacobs eyeliner in the shade Out of the Blue. Ooh, apply that underneath the waterline or on the waterline. Just like to take a little bit of it out onto the lash line as well, to just blend it. To the other side. Blending. That is for the bottom color. I'm gonna be putting on some lashes and then I'll be right back. These are the Kiss Lash Couture Triple Push-Up Collection, and this is in the style Garters, one of my favorite Kiss lashes. And yeah, I'm gonna apply this on and I'll be right back. These lashes are on. All we have left is the lips, and I have this Kylie Cosmetics Velvet Liquid Lipstick in the shade Goals. It's like a nice strawberry shade. I'm just going to apply that to finish off this look. I mean, usually a nude shade would be best to finish off this look, but I can't help it. This completes the look. We are just going to set our face with some setting spray. Of course, my favorite Cover FX. This is the look I created with this palette. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I was really excited to film this for you guys. Obviously because of my little history with Barbies and everything. So I love this collab so much, and I really hope you guys pick up this palette. I think it's really nice. PUR has some really good products, especially their eyeshadow palettes. Especially these glitters, like these pressed glitters, like you guys need it in your guys' life. Yeah, PUR has some really good quality palette, so you guys should definitely pick it up. I think the price point is not too bad either. I believe this was like $38 or something, so it's in the $30 range, but I feel like you really get your bang for your bucks because the shades obviously and the quality are really nice, and this nice size mirror is so good, especially when you're doing your makeup. But yeah, I really think the quality is really good. Definitely get your guys' hands on it if you have not. This was like the last palette in my Ulta when I would have picked it up today. But yeah, super happy with the outcome of my makeup, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it too. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you're updated with all my new videos. I have more videos coming your guys' way. You guys already know that because I keep repeating myself. But yeah, just thank you all so much for your constant support and love, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!